Even when you can't come to Storytime in person, you can have your own at home with our Storytime to-go kits.
We created the Storytime to-go kits in 2016 as part of our efforts to honor the life and legacy of Cynthia Graham Hurd and her commitment to connecting the community with literacy.
Inside each kit, you'll find all the supplies you need to recreate the Storytime experience with your child.
Each Storytime kit contains 8 books, a puppet, 2 early learning toys, and a collection of songs and rhymes that are all around certain themes. So each of the kit has a theme like monsters or ocean animals or ABCs, weather, all the kinds of things that preschoolers would be learning about. So while usually our branches will be having these great story times, right now these are even more wonderful because you have everything you need to check out a bag and do story time at home. And of course still watch our story times virtually.
With many different themes to choose from, the Storytime adventures could continue for months or even years.
Each kit checks out for 2 weeks, and if there's no one waiting on it, you can even renew it to check it out longer. And we have over 100 of these kits available, so you can, if one's not at the branch you want it to be, you can place a hold and have it sent to whatever branch is easiest for you to pick up at.
You can find all of the Storytime to-go kits by searching in our catalog at ccpl.org. And I'll see you next Monday to meet your library.